Come, let us prepare, make some good profits today. Market left us big clues right here. You need to know about this right here. And this, seeing the 5 days still trending up, it's a very important clue. And if you want to short this, very important liquidity you need to know. Let's talk about that in today's video. But before that, intraday analysis, 10:48 a.m. right here. Now it's important you understand where the magenta algorithm has built liquidity right there. And you see exactly, I circled this yellow 644 right here. And you see how the market grabbed the liquidity so beautifully off that magenta algorithm. And thereafter, once again on the breakout and retrace right there, all because you identified the magenta algorithm and you understand that there was a lack of continuation structure that required to be rebuilt. I will show you that later. So this particular trade, 100% trade, absolutely beautiful, all because you were able to be, firstly, patient to wait for that, especially if you missed the way up and you didn't see any strong continuation. There was actually one here with the teal, but I will talk about that later. But the better move here will be off that magenta. Absolutely beautiful trade here. Thereafter, 12:47 here, we identified the pink algorithm here. Now this was very important. You have to understand this pink algorithm building liquidity, especially when we lacked the selling continuation. Wait for the cups to close once again. 644 yellow, very important level. You see how the cups has closed here off that pink algorithm. And I mentioned wait for that teal to build liquidity with that pink, and just take a look for yourself. Absolutely beautiful trade here. You see the handle with that inverse head and shoulder pattern here of that teal and pink algorithm. If you see it, you cannot unsee it once you do. Absolutely beautiful trade. This one, I had multiple 100% trades right here in this very small move near 2 power hour. So you have to be patient. Remember, you don't always have to catch every move. All you need, and I always tell you that, is just 0.5 to 1 point move. Very small but certain structures. And if you learn to identify the algorithms, it becomes more precise. You can catch absolutely beautiful trades right there. Understanding the context of this as well. So absolutely